So, do you want to learn English without boring textbooks? Because I did it. And guess what? I used social media. So, I will tell you that how I improved my English by using social media. So, my dear friends, the one first thing is I did was watch English videos on YouTube and followed them channel that teach English. Okay, and I also followed bloggers channel who made content in English. So and but sometime I didn't understand everything. Okay, but subtitles helped me a lot. Yes, so you can also try this. And the second is I followed Instagram pages that post English words, phrases, vocabulary, small sentences they can post every day. So I followed Instagram pages. Okay, so they, and whenever I scrolled Instagram page, so I learned from that without any efforts, without any even trying. And you can also learn from WhatsApp because you can join, you can message, text message, whatever comes in your mind. So you can text, write down, and using them for English and speak with your friends and family. And don't worry about making mistakes because I also made mistakes, but I kept going. I don't care about people. I don't care about or actually my friends also because they also know and I also know I'm just learning English. So, and if you are not speaking, because speaking part is most important. If you are speak as much as possible, so you can definitely will be able to speak in English. So, my dear friend, you speak anything, whatever comes in your mind. You can surround yourself with English. You can immerse all these things in English. Like me, because you have a phone and I have also phone, so you can use them in a good way and learn from them. That every settings you can turn on in English, and whenever you get notification it's so you can learn, you can read actually in English. So so many things you can learn from them. It's very easy, easiest way for us because I haven't joined any classes. Yeah, it's true. And I learn English with the social media and with myself. I practice daily. And one more thing, if you want speak to someone else, so you can join any community group on Facebook or Instagram. There are so many English group and you can join it and you can join them because there is only English content and you can easily speak with them. There are so many peoples and they also beginner like you and me. So join it and speak with them. You can learn from them some new words and sentence. So it's very helpful for you. And yes, the second is I want to share with that I using shadowing technique also. So what I did, I most of the time watching a motivational video like a Priyanka Chopra or are speak well literally, and you can learn from them English and you also motivated from their speech. So it's very beneficial for you and you can copy them. You can speak front of a mirror and copy all the sentence, all the words and uh, pronunciation, how they use, how they speak, their accent. It's really helpful for me. And when I was not speak a single word but then I listen more and more their podcast uh, and motivational video I watched, so I can learn from that each and every word. And when I was uh, and I was think that I am wrong, so I can learn grammar from English Connection. That I think this channel's name is English Connection. They are from so many videos for related grammar, and I learned from that Kanchan ma'am. So it's help a lot. I think the best solution, you can learn grammar, because without grammar you are not speak well. So, my dear friend, you can immerse yourself and speak as much as possible, because if you are not speaking, you never learned English. And forget about English, because speaking is a foundation, and listening also. Because when you listen, so you can speak more and more, and practice every day. uh, Comment below and share your that how you practice for learning English, and so we can learn together. So that's it. If you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.